Welcome back to my channel, guys. Look at all these ingredients that we have today. Let's see what we can make. In our first pot, we're going to pour in some oil. In our pan, we're also going to put in some oil. And then we're going to add some onion because the oil is nice and hot. And we're going to let it brown. So in this pot, we're adding in some butter. In the pan, we're adding in butter. We're adding in some chili powder, some turmeric. Gonna give it a good mix. In this pot here, we're gonna make some beans curry with some gem squash and potatoes. We're adding some tomatoes for our gravy. Give it a good mix. It's quite steamy in this kitchen here. We're adding our gem squash and our potatoes. We mix it yet again, and then we're gonna leave it to cook. That looks delicious. You can add water if you want to make it a bit more juicier. In this pan, we're adding in some spinach. And ta-da! It's done. This is how our curry looks cooking. In this pot, we're adding in some chili powder, some turmeric, and we're going to give it a good mix. We're adding in our tomatoes to make a lovely chutney. In this pot, we're going to be cooking paneer. Give it a good mix. And these are our curries cooking. It's so steamy in this kitchen. We're adding in our beans into our curry. Give it a good mix. And we make it roti. This is our final product. We have our beans curry with gem squash and potatoes, followed by some delicious soft roti, followed by spinach, and finally our